Did you know that there are over 8 million known animal species on Earth? But scientists believe that the actual number is much higher, with some estimates suggesting that there could be as many as 1 trillion animal species on our planet. With so many animals out there, it's no wonder that we keep discovering new and crazy facts about them all the time. So get ready to learn about some of the most unbelievable animal facts you've ever heard. From a bird that can cry like a human to an insect that can survive a nuclear bomb, these animals will blow your mind. So let's get started. Crazy fasts. You won't believe how fast these animals can move. Elephants can hear with their feet. Elephants don't just have incredible ears, they use their feet to listen. They can detect low-frequency sounds and vibrations like distant thunder or even other elephants' calls through the ground. These vibrations travel up their legs to their middle ear via their toe bones and special fat pads. Even more fascinating, they can distinguish the meaning of those vibrations, like a warning signal versus a greeting from miles away. It's like having a seismic sensor built into their body. The peregrine falcon is the world's fastest bird and can reach speeds of up to 240 miles per hour when diving for prey. This makes them one of the fastest animals on the planet, capable of catching their target in mid-air. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth and can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster than most cars on the highway. But it doesn't stop there. The peregrine falcon and the cheetah have nothing on the sailfish. The sailfish is the fastest fish in the ocean and can reach speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. They have special adaptations that allow them to swim so fast, such as a streamlined body and powerful tail. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird on the planet and can reach speeds of up to 240 miles per hour when diving for prey. That's faster than most fighter jets, but it doesn't stop there. The peregrine falcon has nothing on the cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth and can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster than most cars on the highway, but even the cheetah has nothing on the sapphire. The sapphire is the fastest fish in the ocean and can reach speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. They have special adaptations that allow them to swim so fast, such as a streamlined body and powerful tail. More details. Did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? That's right. They have special taste receptors on their feet that allow them to taste the nectar of flowers. And if you thought that was weird, wait until you hear about the platypus. The platypus lays eggs, but it's not a reptile or a bird. It's actually a mammal. This means that it produces milk for its young, but also lays eggs. And if you thought that was weird, wait until you hear about the chameleon. Chameleons can change color in a matter of minutes by controlling the amount of pigment in their skin cells. They use this ability to camouflage themselves, communicate and regulate their body temperature. And if you thought that was weird, wait until you hear about the archerfish. Archerfish can shoot down their prey by squirting a stream of water at them. They do this by sucking water into their mouths and then forcefully expelling it from their gills. No repeat. You won't believe these amazing animal facts that you've never heard before. Male parrots can talk because they have specialized vocal cords that allow them to mimic human speech. They also have the ability to recognize themselves in the mirror, which is a sign of high intelligence. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the dung beetle. Dung beetles can roll balls of dung that are 1,000 times their own weight. They do this by using their strong legs and horns to push and steer the balls of dung. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the anglerfish. Anglerfish can lure their prey with a glowing light that they produce from a special organ on their heads. The light attracts small fish and other prey, which the anglerfish then eats. And if you thought that was impressive, Wait until you hear about the star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole has 22 fleshy appendages around its nose that are covered with thousands of receptors. These receptors allow the star-nosed mole to feel vibrations in the ground, helping them to locate their prey. More fun facts. You won't believe the incredible abilities of these animals. Electric eels can generate powerful electric shocks to stun their prey and defend against predators. They can discharge up to 600 volts of electricity from their bodies, which is enough to knock a human unconscious. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth. It can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh over 200 tons. That's longer than a school bus and heavier than 33 elephants. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the tardigrade. Tardigrades are microscopic animals that can survive in extreme environments, including outer space. They can also withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the mimic octopus. The mimic octopus can change its shape and color to mimic other animals, including sea snakes, lionfish, and even blue-ringed octopus. It does this by manipulating its skin cells and changing the amount of pigment in each cell. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the red deer. The red deer can leap up to 30 feet in a single bound. They can also run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest mammals in Europe. But these amazing animals aren't the only ones that have incredible abilities. There are also plenty of insects that can do things that seem almost impossible. Take the bullet train beetle, for example. This beetle can fly at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest insects on the planet. It can also fly backwards at the same speed, which is useful for escaping predators. Then there's the stick insect, which can grow to be over a foot long. They have special adaptations that allow them to camouflage themselves so well that they can often go unnoticed by predators. There's also the leaf insect, which can mimic the color, shape, and texture of leaves so well that they're virtually undetectable when perched on a tree. But perhaps the most impressive insect of all is the termite. Termites are able to digest wood and other plant materials thanks to the bacteria that live in their guts. They also have incredible strength and are able to carry objects that are 50 times their own weight. But these insects are just a small fraction of the amazing animals that inhabit our planet. From the smallest microbes to the largest whales, the natural world is full of creatures that amaze us with their beauty, intelligence, and resilience. So what are your thoughts on these crazy facts about animals? Were you surprised by any of them? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.